You know English, but you can't use it. When it matters most, your mind goes blank. It's not your English, it's your mode.
I've studied English for almost 10 years. I know the words, I know the rules. But in meetings, when someone talks to me, my head starts loading. I'm searching for the perfect sentence. I'm checking the grammar. I hesitate, just for 2 seconds. And then the moment is gone. Someone else speaks. They get noticed. Not because they're better, just because they spoke. And later, I realize the opportunity is gone. The promotion, the respect, all theirs, not mine.
Listen, your English is not bad. You're just using the wrong mode. You're stuck in study mode. Study mode trains your brain to think in circles before it speaks. That works in exams, but real life doesn't wait. Know 1,000 words, but only use 10. 1,000 hours of listening, but 0 speaking? These are symptoms of study mode, and they are killing your confidence. Here's the part no one tells you. You think you're pausing to think. But to the world, that silence sounds like confusion, uncertainty, a total lack of confidence. In real conversations, silence is not neutral. Silence is a signal. Silence lets someone else speak and takes your place. You need survivor mode. Survivor mode doesn't care about perfection. It cares about reaction. React first to survive. Confidence is built from there. In meetings, this means use simple words. Use ready-made chunks. Say, "That's a good point," or "I agree with that," or even, "Let me think about it." These simple phrases break the silence. They keep you visible. The thing will not change overnight. But here's the good news. You can practice survivor mode for just 5 minutes every day, even alone with a mirror. In real life, rewards don't go to the most perfect speaker. They go to the one who responds. Confidence is built by surviving conversations, not by memorizing more rules. You don't need more rules. You need survivor mode. Less thinking, more reacting. Switch today. Before someone else speaks for you again, I'll see you in the next video.